again.
We are glad to meet you again in our channel.
So today the video is based on Practicall Light. What is it? Practicall Light is a light source you put in your scene to make your viewer think that your scene is light by your light. But in reality, it's not. Let's see that. Today we have this method. We use it in Hollywood movie and Bollywood movie everywhere and light techniques. So you see this light, as you can see, it's much more brighter than this one. So if I turn this light off, you will see this light can make this effect. So even it's turned on, but I need our viewer to see this light effect on my subject. So I have to make a bigger light like this one. So this effect is much more bigger than this one. This one is not even existing. So as you can see, I am done with this one. I want my viewer to think that candles can light my subject, but in reality it's not. If I turn this off, as you can see, there's no light anymore. So if I turn my light on, it's much more brighter. So this technique is used in every movie in Hollywood. So it is used to make our viewer think that everything is possible, everything is natural. So this light, as you can see on the side, this color light, I use it just for making my background much more beautiful. So it's not very useful to put it right here. So with a little zoom in our shot, this light it's not visible, and this light it's not visible too, like this one. But you can see this one, you can see this one, and you think every reflection or light came from that source. So, finish.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more content like this. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Subscribe.